Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I am one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Rhys Barber. I'm the other audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Welcome to day 18 of Waxfront.
18.
We're a week away now. This is it.
If it's your first time, guys, joining us for Waxfront, there are 17 other videos, so just go back and watch it.
There's a fifth. There is actually a playlist. If you watch this on YouTube, there's a playlist on YouTube which says Waxfront 2022. So you'll find them all on there if you've missed any. You can go back and have a little look at them all then.
But we give you a video every single day up until Christmas Day, basically, and that's what we're trying to get to.
So we've got a really dry piece of, well, it looks like almost a solid bit of skin, that is, by the looks of it, coming out of there.
Husk of skin.
Yeah. Very, very, not completely blocked, but just enough to be irritating, I would say, probably for this patient, because we could see the eardrum either side. There we go. But just more of an irritation there than anything else.
Yeah. So yeah, sometimes people can feel these little drier pieces like kind of moving around inside the ear. Especially
as the ear canal flexes, especially if it's going from one side of the canal to the other, you'll feel it kind of brushing against it then. So that's what, 1 centimetre?
Yeah, half an inch.
Yep.
Half an inch.
Half an inch, bang on.
Nice easy one.
That was a nice simple one to start you off. Not quite a simple one next, so unfortunately.
Not so easy.
This was a very deep piece of wax, this one, and we can see this sort of, look at these hard layers all around the outside edge. This is somebody who's used a Q-tip a lot, and what they've done is inadvertently pushed the wax further down. They've compressed it together, and what it's done is it's formed this really hard dome-shaped husk, if you like, to the ear canal wall. Not an easy one to get out. We do see a little mini skin ribbon in this one, I think, coming up, but it's just attaching at the moment from the roof, from the attic of the canal, just trying to bring this down a little bit.
And that's the difficulty you tend to get with cotton buds and Q-tips. The longer you do it, the more it compacts and the harder it gets.
Yeah.
Not only is it more uncomfortable for the patient to remove, but it can be more tricky to actually remove for us as well. And oil doesn't tend to really kind of do much to it as well. It's kind of gone past that stage of softening.
When it gets really hard, the oil just can't penetrate into it, and you end up with, as Taylor said, it's really difficult to remove because you end up with this very thin layer around the outside edge and this central chunkier bit of wax in the middle. But there we are, that's gone on that side. We can see it's
that was no challenge.
Basically ignore everything I just said because I was completely untrue. It went through absolutely fine. But you can see we've got the same issue there on this side as well. We've got a slightly sort of more elongated shape to the ear canal entrance. Most people's ear canal entrance are like this, but you do get some that are more kind of this shape, and that's what's happened here. Very, very tough old stuff though, and over the years it's been squished together. It just hardens into this shape. Got a lot of dead skin there by the looks of it underneath that grey material there.
It's almost like a sigh of relief when they start coming away nice and easy like this. You're like, oh.
Yeah, when you get that edge piece coming away, but you can see it almost kind of unravels as it comes out there, and you can see that layer of skin running, look through that onto the next section as well. So all that dry layer of skin has been compressed into the middle of this wax. This is a little mini skin ribbon we were talking about earlier, so you can see this just start to come away.
Oh yeah, it's quite
nearly. I really wanted to get that out in one piece as well. I was trying really hard to get it all out in one piece. There we go. That sort of flap of skin there as well, which has been surrounding that plug as well in the middle.
Little bits left on the edges now, is it?
Oh no, quite a chunky piece.
I was going to say, there's another big plug in there.
I think what's happened here is I think that skin ribbon has kind of separated the two halves of the wax. So we're just going to get this next section down here. Unfortunately, what we see with a lot of patients, when they've pushed it down, that's the really, really sensitive part of the ear, and they've made it so thin, you've got to work really close to the canal wall, which can be quite uncomfortable for some patients, but you have to get it out. You can't leave it there, otherwise it just hardens up into that really, really tough old block you saw then.
Oh, that'd be like an instant relief.
Oh, definitely. That coming away. As soon as you get it moving, a lot of the time the patient will say, oh yeah, I can hear better now. And then you get to the outer part, it sort of blocks up again a little bit as it's coming out. But just tidying up the outside edge there. There we go, there's the eardrum. What looks like a little tiny bit, just nip that away, there we go. Yeah, there's the eardrum looking nice and healthy. So this is what it looked like to start with. And afterwards you can see there, 3.5 centimeters on that one.
inch and a half.
There you go, easy. So yeah, so big old dry pieces in there as well. This is why we say don't use cotton buds, guys. Bit of olive oil once a month, no more than that, and just clean the outside part of the ear whenever you see anything there. But other than that, leave those ears well alone for me. Or for us, I should say. That would be great.
Please.
So thank you very much for watching day 18 of Wax Fun, guys. We shall see you again for day 19 tomorrow. Oh yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please give us a thumbs up. There you go. Or you can subscribe as well. I will get this in the middle of the video at some point. You can click that subscribe button if you really enjoyed it and you want to see more videos from us. So as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And we'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.